Hello everyone and welcome back to our MySQL tutorial series. In this video we're gonna dive in one of the fundamental aspects of querying data from a database, the where clause. The where clause in MySQL is a powerful tool that allows us to filter records based on specific conditions. It enables us to extract only the data that meets the criteria we specify. Let's start with a basic example. Suppose we have a table named users and we want to select all the users with the name Alex. Here is how we do it. So for this we have to use this query select star from users where name equal to Alex. The query will return all the records from the users table where the name column equals Alex. Let's try it out. And now we can see the query returned the records from the users table where the name column equal Alex. Now it's important to note that SQL requires single quotes around text values. However, numeric fields should not be enclosed in quotes. For example, when we're filtering numeric fields like an ID, we don't use quotes. Here is how we would retrieve records where the ID is equal to 30. And the syntax is select star from users where ID equal to 30. Let's run. Now we can see the user with the ID 30 is Coil. Now let's see how we would retrieve records where the ID is greater than 30. So the syntax is select star from users where ID is greater than 30. Let's run. And now we can see we retrieved all IDs greater than 30. So 30 and all the way up. Now let's select all records from the user table where the ID is less than 30. The syntax is select star from users where ID less than 30. Let's run and see. And now we see all IDs less than 30. Next, let's select all records from the user table where the ID is greater than or equal to 30. The syntax is select star from users where ID is greater than or equal to 30. Let's run. Now we can see all the data over here. Everything looks right. Next, let's select all records from the users table where the ID is less than or equal to 30. The syntax is select star from users where ID is less than or equal to 30. Let's run. And now we can see all the data. Next, let's select all records from the users table where the ID is not equal to 30. The syntax is select star from users where ID is not equal to 30. Let's run. Now we can see the data, but we don't have ID equal to 30 over here. Next, let's select all records from the users table where the ID falls between 50 and 60 inclusive. The syntax is select star from users where ID between 50 and 60. Let's run. Now you can see it's between 50 and 60 right over here. And last but not least, let's select all records from the users table where the name starts with the letter S. The syntax is select star from users where name, like, and the letter S. Let's run. And now we can see all the data with the name starts with the letter S. This example are just some of the ways you can use the where clause to filter your data based on specific conditions. It is a versatile tool that forms the backbone of many SQL queries. That's all for the tutorial on the MySQL where clause. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials in our series, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates. Thank you for watching.